Go ahead and think about the things that we learned about Australia and New Zealand, their interesting history, physical geography, culture, etc. the past 2 days, and keep those in mind for Teach Yourself Day. Today's learning target, I can research Australia or New Zealand. Your check for success, you're going to research a topic of your choice and write a summary about what you learned. Today's date is May 28th, and today is Teach Yourself Day, and I'll explain how that works. Australia and New Zealand have a lot of wacky and interesting aspects of their history, geography, culture, current events, etc. that we didn't get a chance to talk about in depth. Go ahead and choose one of those topics, research that topic, and write a short summary on what you learned. If you're feeling a little bit lost, start by checking the list of topics on Schoology. Let's say you're interested in something that's not on that list. That's okay. This is all about researching a topic that you're interested in. As long as it directly relates to Australia, New Zealand, or Oceania, you're good to go. So for example, if you wanted to research the Emu Wars, that would be awesome. If you wanted to research the life of Rebel Wilson, an actress from Australia, let's choose a better topic. You can use a reliable resource to research your information, so that could include using resources off of Google. You could also watch videos as long as they're from a reliable resource. And then write a summary on what you learned. Your summary should answer questions like who, what, where, when, and why it's important. Dang, that little bar kind of covers it up. Let's see if I can move that. Oh, okay. Why it's important. So that's bolded and underlined because there we go. And the impact that it has. That's bolded and underlined because that's a really, really important part of your summary. We'll look at 2 example summaries on the next slide. Okay, so I bet you guys can already tell which one's the good summary and which one's the bad summary. We'll go through them just in case. This first one says the School of Air, so that's the topic that they chose to research, is distance learning in Australia. It helps kids living in the outback. They use a radio or the internet. The second one says the School of Air is a type of distance learning in Australia. It was founded in 1951 to help students living in the outback who didn't have access to education. Teachers would mail assignments and broadcast lessons over the radio. Today, they use modern technologies to deliver lessons. This helps provide people living in the outback with a quality education without resorting to expensive boarding schools. So here we kind of have the what it is, the definition. We have the who was going to this school. We have the how they were teaching students in the outback. And then we have the why it's important. It helped provide people living in the outback with a quality education. Okay, so here's what you need to finish today. Go ahead and research your topic of interest and write a summary about your Teach Yourself Day topic. If you have any questions, message or email your teacher, or if you'd rather, you can text 304-853-0426.